Alright, now that you have your nice butt vinyl, let's show you how to put it on. First, lay it on a flat surface, and you need to squeegee it or push it down with your fingers. Just press firmly on all of it. This is just transferring it to the transfer tape. You can use your finger, or you can even use a scraper, such as this one. You just scrape along, push hard. Again, this kind of gets the bubbles out and gets everything stuck to the transfer tape. After you push everything down, you need to peel it off. So turn it upside down and peel the backing off. Peel it off very slowly, and if any of the vinyl sticks to the backing, just kind of push the backing back down and push it down with your finger, and then just peel it back off again. Again, just pull it back slowly, and don't pull up, but kind of pull backwards. Then to place it on what you're going to place it on, your wall or glass, make sure the surface is clean and dry, and then line it up. Be careful how you line it up, because once you line it up, once it's stuck, it's stuck. So again, stick it on, rub it again just to kind of get it all stuck to the wall. Rub over every last bit of the vinyl. And then just start peeling off the transfer tape. Again, go slow and pull it back. Don't pull it straight up, but kind of pull it back, kind of have like a very low angle. Because if you pull it straight up, it'll more likely pull the vinyl off the wall or what you're putting it on. Then just press it again with your fingers just to make sure everything's stuck down. Then you can put it anywhere. You can put it on a door, in your shower even, on your mirror, on your wall, on your toilet. And then if you'd like to put it on a board like this, it's the same process. You can actually get this board at Walmart in the craft section. They're only about $2 or $3. So again, press down on all the vinyl, turn it over, peel it back, and stick it on. With boards, it's a lot harder to stick on because it just doesn't quite stick as well. So make sure you press very firmly on every last bit of vinyl. Then when you peel it back again, peel it really slow and be very careful, because it tends to pull up off the board because the board isn't as sticky as a plain wall. Like if you see here, it actually pulled it up off the board, that little piece. So before you pull more, kind of put it back down, press it on again harder, and then just be very careful. Maybe peel back from a different angle. You can push down with your fingers as you pull back to kind of hold it down. And when you get to the T's, be very careful, because those tend to rip because they're so skinny. So go really slow where the T's cross. And then push it down again with your fingers just to make sure everything's stuck. Again, you can get different kinds of vinyl. Put it on your toilet, on your bathtub. These are just different options. I'll put links down below to where you can actually buy them if you want them. Thanks for watching, and go show off your nice butt.